Waiting again.
Finally.
Yes, we're finally moving in. We just submitted our passport. It will facilitate your checkout as you disembark and go to the different ports. Just need a room card will do.
Must proceed to this area.
Okay.
Assembly station.
Okay.
Now you can go to your room already, sir.
Okay.
Now you can go to your room. Thank you, enjoy.
Okay, thank you. Going up.
We are currently on deck 7. Our room is on deck 8.
This way. Oh, it looks really new.
Welcome on board.
It's all the way in front. Our balcony is much bigger.
Oh yeah, we're on 8th floor. Seems like 8th floor is bigger than all the rest.
MBS is there. Fire.
Oh, the bathroom actually looks not too shabby.
Very spacious actually.
Yeah, it's bigger than Voyager of the Seas.
Everything is very clean and very new. The wardrobe is here. There's not really no space here. Extra pillows. Oh shit. Okay, can. We got a robe.
Oh, we got bathrobes.
There's some like blue hangers here. Nothing much. Welcome to our pantry. There's coffee and tea. 2 types of cups.
The hair dryer is here. A stool and an empty fridge.
Whoa! Oops. Oh, this doubles up as a table.
Ah, so they have different type of sockets for you.
Hi!
I think we should take this time to head up to the dining, before the crowd comes in.
Yeah, we are the second group to board, so I think not too bad.
It will be really crowded soon. So our room is all the way at the front of the ship.
I think it's like the 3rd room from the front.
Yeah, we're heading all the way to the back for dining. This is 3 floors of casino.
Want to? Take your card. Both cards, right? Yeah. Your paper number, the birthday. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. And then table 3. Table 3, okay, please follow me.
比如说你现在买的话，你可以从现在开始可以一直
If I get, does she include it?
看到的是。This one is a la carte. 买200的话，你可以得到50块钱。
Which should we get? 200. View of the lower deck.
This is corn soup.
Just had our lunch. Now here to play some mini golf. How's that? Usually we will rush for the popular activities first, like this rope bridge, but then not sure why it's not open yet.
No, I think it's closed because of weather.